Hi, my name's Adam. I'm a junior doctor. Can I check your name and date of birth?
Harry Mars, 21st of the 10th, 1998.
Today I need to examine your mouth. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any pain in your mouth?
No.
Okay, I just need to gather my equipment. If you could open your mouth. And put your tongue up to the roof of your mouth. And to the left. And to the right. Now relax your tongue and cheeks and say ah. That's the end of the examination. Thanks.
If you liked this video, you'll love our textbook. The Geeky Medics Clinical Examination Guide summarises all the key examination skills for your practical exams. Buy now at geekymedics.com.